discuss about the multiple row functions. Within that, min, max, count, count star, sum and average. After that, we discuss about the single row functions. Within that, we discuss number functions. Absolute, then mod, power, square, like that. Today we discuss single row functions. Within that, there is a second type, that is the character function. So these functions are used to apply on a character or a string. These functions are upper, lower, init cap, lpad, rpad, trim, rtrim, trim, then ASCII and length. So the first function, upper, it is used to convert the lowercase string into the uppercase string. The syntax for this one is select upper in bracket string. String means you have to enclose within this single quotation from dual table. Right? For example, select upper in bracket. Suppose I am writing India like this from dual. Right? So this function upper will convert this India small letters into the capital R-N-D-I-A. So output of this will be in the capital. So this is the upper. Next is the lower. So this function is used to convert the uppercase letter into the lowercase. Say select lower in bracket capital India from dual. It will convert capital letter into the lowercase letter. Next is the init cap. Init means initial letter capital. So this function is used to convert the first letter as a capital. I-N-D-I-A. Select init cap in bracket India as a lila from dual. It will give the output like this one. Next is the lpad. So this function is used to add the particular character on the left side of that string. If you want to add special character like star, dollar or RS, at that time you can use lpad or alpad. Lpad means adding the character on the left side. Rpad means adding the character on the right side. Syntax for that is the select lpad in bracket whatever the string is there, comma 7, comma star from dual. So this function will add here the 7 string string. How many letters are there for the string? Total 6. And how many numbers we have given here? 7. And the character that you want to add on the left side, that is the star. So it will add only one star. If I am using 8 here, it will add 2 stars on the left side. Next, rpad, the same case, but it will add star on the right side. Next is the ltrim and rtrim. So this function is used to remove. Remove means remove the particular characters from the left hand side of that string. Select ltrim in bracket string, comma the string that you want to remove from the left side. Next, rtrim, it will remove the characters from the right side. And trim, this function is used to remove the characters from left and right side, or it is used to remove the blank spaces, the trim. Then ASCII, this function is used to display the ASCII values of a particular character. Suppose you are using select ASCII in bracket single quotation a, small a from dual. The small h is the ASCII value असेल. So that value will be displayed. Next one is the length. This function is used to display the length. Select length in bracket string from dual. So it will display the value of string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. त्या string चे जेवढे number of characters असतील, त्याची जी काही length असेल, तर ते display करतात. आलं लक्षात? Now we will see all these functions one by one. The first thing, SQL has a command prompt with the command prompt. But when you are using client server, at that time you have to use the Squad, Tiger and Business as a password. Don't confuse here. Now we'll see the first. Select upper in bracket India from J. So it will display the output. Indiaचं काय करेल तो कॅपिटल लेटर्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट करेल. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन आहे लोअर. आता मुलं काय करतात असं देतात आणि मॅडम आउटपुट काहीच नाही आलं असं आलं तर आउटपुट कसं कळेल तुम्हाला नाही कळणार. काय आउटपुट देते लोअरच देईल. तर अप्परचं लोअर कन्वर्ट करण्यासाठी वी आर युजिंग लोअर. So this function will convert capital letters into the lower case. Next is init cap. So this function will convert these capital letters किंवा small letters जरी टाकला तुम्ही सगळे. This will convert the first letter must be in capital आणि बाकीचे कसे असतील small letters. Next, LCAT. String. After that, specify the number of characters and the string that you want to type on the right side. Sorry, left side. त्याच्यामध्ये काय करते ते? How many words are there? 5. And here you are specifying 8. That means 5 minus 8 minus 5. This star will be added on the left side. Next function is argv. So what it will display?
Right hand side.
Right. It will display star on the right hand side. Next function कुठला आहे? LP. LP काय होतं? It is used to remove the characters. इथं काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला? कॅपिटल मध्ये द्यावं लागेल. So when you are using ltrim, this function is used to remove the characters from that string. आता ही string आहे. या string मध्ये जे left side चे character तुम्हाला remove करायचे. You have to specify as it is. If you are using small letters, it will not display. If you are using heavy capital, you have to specify as capital. The same, right? Next कुठला आहे? R3. R3 is used to remove the characters from the right side. जरी तुम्ही काय ऍड केलं असे 2 ऍड केलं. Right? So we remove the characters from the right side of the string that you are specifying in a single row. Next, trim. The trim चा यूज कशासाठी आहे? It is used to remove the space from left and right side. इथे काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला? Trim. With the trim you can also use leading, trailing and both parameters. Next function is ASCII. Do you know ASCII value of small a or capital A? माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला एफसी मध्ये झालेलं आहे ना? Anyone? Yes? 97. Very good. कोणी सांगितलं? बस. कॅपिटल ए ची माहिती आहे? Good. 65. Next. ASCII काय करतं? जे काही तुमचे अल्फाबेट्स असतील A to Z, स्मॉल a to Z किंवा 0 to 9 त्याची ASCII व्हॅल्यू डिस्प्ले करते. नेक्स्ट लास्ट फंक्शन कुठला आहे? लेन. used to display the length of that string. किती कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये? 5. तर जे तुम्ही स्ट्रिंग दिला तर त्यामध्ये किती नंबर ऑफ कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत? फॉर दॅट पर्पज द लेंथ फंक्शन इज यूज्ड. डू यू अंडरस्टँड दिस वन? किती जणांना कळलं? आता करा ज्यांना कळलं